Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica here with a new Valentine's Day project. For this project, you're going to need to pick up some wood hearts at Michael's. These measure about 5 inches or so. You want to base coat all of them in bright colors, or they could all be the same color. Let them dry, and while you're at the store, also pick up some little letters. Get a couple bags if you know you're going to be using a lot of vowels. And then for each heart, go through and add some contouring. Take the darker color and use it to outline the edge of the heart. It just gives it a little more personality. And choose your phrase. Once you have them centered, don't glue them down until you have them centered. Then you can use hot glue or white craft glue to glue everything in place. Decide how you want to decorate your hearts. I made each one different, so I added a different type of border. Floral, stripes, polka dots, you can mix it up however you want. After that, let everything dry and then give it a good coat of spray varnish or brush on gloss varnish. It just makes them nice and shiny and pretty. After that, flip them over and use hot glue and party streamer to create this beautiful ruffle. Attach a hanger to the back and you're good to go. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas.